cocoa production, Western North is a leader. Indeed, the people of this region are the backbone of Ghana's cocoa production. But I'm aware of the hardships our cocoa farmers face: low prices, inadequate extension services, and delays in the distribution of cocoa inputs. And so let me be clear today.
Yeah, welcome to the Political Run. Teach me the voice right here. I'm gonna send TPTH. So then also, Mahama is a hope for cocoa farmers. Pacho, then also, Ibia Boko there. Now hope no so saying. Now ebuson for latest news in this cocoa for. On where Jomu Somia, Jomama, Ama cocoa farmers now showdown. Kase showdown. Now we enyasem. Ene aminu kase na government of Ghana releasing new cocoa pricing. Now cocoa pricing, we say every cocoa window biano, the price for bar. Now obe kai kakra. In 2017, a brand Akufo-Addo government, eba power no. Na cocoa price, per bag, 450 cedis honum. By the time na Akufo-Addo free aban mono, sa cocoa price per bag no, from sa 400 cedis thereabout, move to somewhere 3,100. Akufo-Addo omaino no, afe. Na cocoa farmers no me ni agi say sense usu cocoa farmer jama usu say there you can also think about life after this whole cocoa stuff. Yes sir, wait me sit down, wait me to car, and because cocoa when you 1 ton of cocoa money, okay, when you 1 ton of cocoa 46,000 thereabout, 460 million old currency, and if you can also wait to pick to be. Yes, sir. Now say price like your mama can buy, which I to buy me and Sambi. And I cocoa for see where your moon pay. I don't know moon pay. A certain at 2,000 met with cocoa farmers and told them that they were being actually cheated by the government. And yes, sir. So because they were being cheated by the government, the truth of the matter, they say. Cocoa price na nkasa no na kai say government entua cocoa farmers be 6,000 anya hwe kra 6,000 60 million there per bag there say government in farm cocoa farmers say yes sir I say yeah omo na muka nkra cocoa farmers no omo see government say otu omo 60 million anya hwe kra 60 million cocoa farmers so mate. As if that wasn't enough, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, your current president, your man Penny, on 17th July 2024, yeah, and I'll call Western North. No. I'll say, cocoa prices, no, say, are buying, and try for 70%. And the onuna buying, or dongame, or kabibia, or free and Tuanyama, and all those the rest. So onu go mama ba buy more. World market price no or the emu 70% ebe ma cocoa farmers. Okay, cocoa farmers so mate. And at 24 and at 7th December, nkono ko to aba no. Kwen cocoa farmer kwen John mama and amu ina amu saline. Amu ko two ma. John Mahama boom. Oko cocoa areas nyina no omutuma mama boom na mama MPs boom adea cocoa price ba 16 million afi enyina ye say science bi na nema sisa esan say ato force investing ye bisa no say cocoa price no mo dey be cost 61 million e dey o say finance minister onye cocoa board CEO enti randi abeba ye bisa no randi abeba ye ebisa no say eti cocoa price no ebe cost 60 million ni and I be say mre no do ye enti yen twen na ye cry ye kponko prentem dodo ye prekra dodo and I say yo yate say sir ye twen ye twen sa afi de ene cocoa price aba Yankoshia, a year 100 cities, 1 million, Tetiscano 1 million, 100 Ghana, pe, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, edit to cocoa price in also. Now, who calculate it from the promised almost 3,000 cities? Because the promise was 3,000 cities. 30,000 cities, it is carrying 30 million. 30 million now, you promised cocoa for say, yeah, the bakers are carrying cocoa price in the moon. Emu 1 million pay. Emu just 1 million. As they say, the cocoa for you now, but they are crying. Obia, me see, sir. Now, oh, soon, now, oh, soon, one of our friends are best man. Where friend me the voice I saw my man I say why. I saw friend about me. Me see. I buy I got to know. Any mistake anti all the implications, repercussions from the vote no. Obianye dina. Obianje no one should talk. No one should complain. Anti-cocoa farmers, they have received their Samia. Happiness abosokai. As abosokai for God almost so much did. And the one moon happiness for the moon type of comment section. Why now research be affect your happiness? Let me know in the comment section.
We will ensure our commitment to pay our farmers 70% of the world market price of cocoa. The sweat of our cocoa farmers deserves dignity and a fair reward. We've also restructured the cocoa rehabilitation program, especially in Bia and Juabuso areas, where swollen shoots and old trees have drastically reduced cocoa yields. Under the new leadership of the Ghana Cocoa Board, they will prioritize the distribution of improved seeds, regular extension support, and proper compensation for rehabilitated cocoa farms.
Me adiwe na men ka on tie ko ba kan bezo be ka say
we are now we
fanti man kanda but how honorable Kennedy Japan went around disrespecting yenumbi no ayeme ya yeah nene me nya me ka kire no
woni anya
David say your ministry we nim hwe because we buy event inti because we buy event we buy nim tourism kakra eti ye nim hwe wow the banan ka say nim say ye nim bi what you say if you better ka say me boss
but what reach out to honorable Kennedy Japan say sa asem no kan wani anya ho
David ba maka kire no wan be ni bi
and on real no so reach out
disrespect no the man anyamede
unje mu ye
minyem
ajiso patawa na ana wo hwe na catch na sa ana ajiso wo hu ne catch na sa na akoma beto ye
dero me ade a minim no men kan na baby o ha anya me strength no I will not come and behave as if it's my strength. Just I will be president now, a candidate supposed to be president. Somehow you must give an impression of correct. But we must be mindful of some of the things we say. He believes in edifice or estate tourism. Again, it's also allowed. Dubai does that. But you no pay tourism. And you no pay.
Okay.
If you would in a communication, he kept saying that a CAC way, and you no pay tourism. Tourism, anything can become Boning Quetri. What is a Peace FM? A big tourist site, Peace FM. It's the first radio station that's
first Akan radio station.
Akan radio station. They have a story to tell.
Yeah.
It is a story I'll be telling. And one but me bra penny here, but yeah, I didn't say, and you're dying on tourism. It must be dying like Dubai. It is not true. Eti me pa cho obado ko bi mu o susu rubbish nipa mo ko rubbish ye no bi sa wanya careful pe now we opinion I reply abeka say bia me mu ade I'm also protecting my image. All I have is my image and my name. So if you rubbish as much to our own image, maybe I'm a boss, a son of our a businessman or buy. Maybe I'm the strength, yeah, the full. Me bra, I Japan mesa or a lawyer, but not me. Media, area had it. It is my test.
I see.
Yes. You can't say me.
Yes. Honorable Krekumante.